welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate your support on the channel. So today is a bit of an impromptu video. So I recently got this, well I say recently, I got it today. I kind of broke my no buy for it. So it's the Kaima Cosmetics. I think it's just like a topper. It's in the shade Minted. I've done a swatch on it. With this, I'm almost positive I'm going to need a glitter glue. So I thought I'd use the Colourpop Aura and Out. It's got a matte green in here. I thought it would go really nicely with it. This one here. And maybe use that for inner corner. I haven't quite decided what I want to do yet. So we're just going to get into the video. If I can find the brushes that I want. Definitely want that one. Okay, so I think first I'm going to go in with Eurovision. No, actually, I think I'm going to go in with Young Love, this really nice white, just to set my base. So let's do that. So I haven't used this palette yet, so I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to use it. And while it's out, I might just do another 2 looks with it, because I wanted to use it anyway. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe oval brush. And I'm going to go in with Eurovision. So it's just this, I don't know what I'd call it. It's not a peachy one. It's kind of got an orange undertone though. It's kind of yellow toned. It's not coming across that way on the brush, is it? It's not coming across pigmented at all, in fact. Because it's a pastel, and sometimes they don't. Sounds windy out there. I might put a bit of solar hour in it as well. So I've used all that kind of first row going down. To deepen it out a little bit. Right, and then I'm going to go in with the Japanese brush. Just going to colour switch it. Okay, we're going to go in with Fresh Cut, this one here. Ooh, that's pretty. This would make a nice look just by itself, but I do want to try that Kaima Cosmetics eyeshadow I bought. This is the whole reason for me digging out this palette. Otherwise I just would have brought it in next week when we did the Shop My Stash. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I think that's done it. I need some glitter glue now. Right, so I've got some. I'm just going to use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, the one that I always use. And I know that I need glitter glue, so it's pointless trying it without, just purely because I did a swatch when I first got it without glitter glue, and it looked so sheer. So I'm hoping with glitter glue it's going to look a lot better. These pressed eyeshadows from Kaima Cosmetics are £9, and you get the VIP 30% knocked off. So I think I paid about £10.99 with shipping, which isn't too bad. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. I thought about using my my flakes that I got as well if I didn't like it, but I really like the way this is looking. Don't know if I want to put flakes over the top as well. I mean, it's not overly pigmented, but it's pigmented enough. But yeah, I would say you definitely need a glitter glue with these. They're really soft. They feel almost like a putty. Do you know, like the e.l.f. putty primer would? Or like a Super Shock eyeshadow. They feel almost like that. When I swatched it today, I was thinking, like, I'm glad I only got one. But I'll definitely buy more of these shades in the future. Right, so that's what it looks like just with the eyeshadow. This shade, if you're interested, is called Minted, and they do have an array of other eyeshadows, but that one was the only one that kind of spoke to me with it being green, and you guys all know how I feel about green. There wasn't really any others that really drew me in, but in the future, like I said, when I'm off the low buy, I'll probably go ahead and look again and see if there are any more. I feel like I do want to see what the flakes look like over the top of this look. So let's get the Kaima Cosmetics flakes I've got. Right, so this is what it looks like. It's called Atlantic. Real pretty. I probably need to pop a little bit more glitter glue on for it to even stick. So we're kind of undoing my hard work that I used with the Minted shade. Maybe I'll just put it in the centre. There's quite a bit in the cap, so I'm just going to try and put it on with my finger. That's what it looks like. I think I've ruined it. I think I'm just going to keep it in the centre like that. They're really chunky, these. I really don't like them. Just thought I would give it another shot. I'm going to try and get some Duraline or something like that, a medium mixer. Because if I could get it to work, it would look absolutely stunning. Pop a bit more on. They're falling absolutely everywhere. Right, let me just get a wipe. What I'm going to do is put some more of this Minted on. I'm going to go in with the Japanese brush. I do think these pressed ones are a lot better than the flakes, guys, but that is just my opinion, and I haven't tried it with a mixing medium either, so all I'm really trying to do is get quite an even blend, make the eyeshadows look a little bit seamless. Might go back in with my finger with the Minted shade. They're just so much easier to work with. Whereas the flakes, they're just annoying, if you ask me. They just get absolutely everywhere. and I've done videos with the flakes that I've got. So I bought Atlantic, which is the one I've got on now, and I bought Nirvana, which is a sheer version of Atlantic. I'm keeping Atlantic, but I'm giving Nirvana away to a friend. I'm just hoping she can get it to work for her a little bit better than I could. Right, I think we'll leave it there with that one. I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics liner brush, and we're gonna go back into the Aura and Out palette. I'm gonna go back into Fresh Cut for the lower lash line. I do think it probably would have looked better if I didn't put the flakes on. I just want to find a way to get them to actually work, but I think I'll need to pick up a mixing medium. If once I've tried the mixing medium, then I'm just gonna, I don't know, get rid of them, because they're starting to annoy me how they're not working. I did watch a tutorial with someone using just a glitter glue like I have, and hers worked absolutely fine. So I don't know if it depends on the actual flakes that you're using on your eyes. But yeah, I'm not a lover of them so far. So we're going to go in with Energetics now. I think this is a glitter, isn't it? Would have probably been better if I'd have put this all over. Need to be careful because it's chunky. That's nice. Right, so the flakes have gone down here again. See, this is why I stopped using them. It's a beautiful colour, the Atlantic flakes, and it does look nice over the minted pressed shadow I got. If only I could get it to work a little bit better than I have. Just gonna try and blend it out a little bit. The right eye's not looking too bad, it's the left. Okay, let's put some mascara on. So I'm not going to tight line today because my eyes are really watery. So we've got the Essence The False Lashes mascara. Yeah, it's already starting to water my left eye. I actually do like the look, it does look nice. It was just a bit of a pain in the neck getting those flakes to work. Let me go and grab a lipstick and I'll be back. We're going to be using the Maybelline Nocturnal Rose, I think it's called. Yeah, it's one of the, let me just, and that's what the finished look looks like. So this is what it looks like. So let me know what you think of the Kaima flakes if you've tried them. I think these ones might be pretty new. She's got a whole bunch of them on the website. I don't know if they've all gone out of stock now. She's had quite a few of her products go viral and they've all gone out of stock. But I had to get this. I mean, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it's like changes all these different colours in the light. It's not like a duochrome, I don't think. and I've just realised you can actually take it out of this pan here, which is really cool, and you can put it into one of your own magnetic palettes. So I didn't even see that. I think I'll keep it in there though. I don't want to mix it up with my pastel roses, so yeah, that's that one. I do actually think it's worth the money. You know, it is £9 an eyeshadow, which is pretty much standard for an indie brand. So yeah, I do think it's worth it. You are getting 30% knocked off as well when you buy her products. So yeah, I do think she's worth it. But I will only buy pressed, I think, going forward. I don't think I'll buy any more flakes unless I buy the mixing medium and it really does change my mind. I'll keep you informed on that. But yeah, I do like the pressed ones, and she does highlighters. They look really, really nice as well. I don't have any of those. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help. Share and comment, and if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. I'm currently working on a giveaway at the moment, and I would love for you to be a part of it when it does go up, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.